Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today we're going to be making a pizza. Quinoa pizza. I have your quinoa. I'm going to put some basil leaves over the pizza, some garlic powder. This is the banana sauce, replacement for tomato sauce, some cheese which I had left over. I'm going to go show you how to make it and it's going to taste so good. Okay, so I have the quinoa powder over here. I'm just going to use about a cup of quinoa. That's good enough. That's a cup. I'm going to mix it with I'm going to soak it in hot water. I'm going to soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes, not too long. The soaked quinoa is in here. I put some water, about a cup of water or less than a quarter. I'm going to put some garlic powder to this. Boil it that much. A bit more. Just a little bit. Then I'm going to cover it and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Okay, now I got my parchment paper over here on the pan. I'm going to spray some avocado oil. This, because I don't want it to be. Okay, so I put this in the oven, 350. I put this at 350 for about 10 minutes. It's a little hot right now, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of spread my Jufron sauce just a little. Look at that. The pizza's out of the oven and it smells so good. I'm also going to put some Italian seasoning in here. Okay, and upon the texture, the edges are a little bit crusty. It's hot. Oh, and it smells delicious. Oh wow. Okay, taste test. Oh wow, with the cheese in it, so good. I'm sorry, I'm stuffing my face with this right now. With the cheese, it's so good. You can even put some chili powder if you want something spicy, some spicy powder, but it tastes so delicious, so good. You have to try it. Just buy a bag of quinoa and make this every day, or every alternate day, or anything. This is a quick fix meal, gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel and I'll post some more videos soon.